Okay, so when we're talking about what we're talking about today is why Earth is habitable and why we as humans are able to live on our planet, specifically compared to other planets and why they may not be habitable for us. So, as humans, the things we need to survive are an atmosphere that contains oxygen, liquid water, protection from the solar wind, soil, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. So, first, we're going to talk about the atmosphere. So, the atmosphere is due to the mass of the Earth and its temperature, and the mass gives the Earth a gravitational pull that keeps our atmosphere intact. The temperature of the Earth gives the atmospheric molecules a higher velocity, preventing them from escaping our atmosphere. The magnetic field is what protects our planet from the solar winds that would otherwise be harmful to us as humans. The Earth has this magnetic field because of the existence of our liquid outer core. So without our liquid outer core, we wouldn't have the magnetic field that would protect us from the solar winds. Another thing that is important is our position of our planet compared to other planets. So our position of the Earth in comparison to the sun is right in the perfect place. So it's not too close to the sun where everything burns, and it's not so far away from the sun that everything freezes. Because if we were too far away, we wouldn't have water, and it would be too cold to habit and to inhabit. And then if we were too close to the sun, everything would burn up, obviously. So that's also a really important aspect is our placement of the planet within our solar system. And that's pretty much it. That sums up why Earth is habitable for the human race.